Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Instagram following and follower list. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application, and then you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right, and here you need to click on settings and privacy, and then you simply need to click on creator tools and control, and the first step you simply need to click on switch account type, and you need to make your account to personal account. Okay, once you done that, you simply need to go back and click on account privacy and make your account private. So once you done that, you can easily hide your following and follower list. So this is the process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.